Dito kami sa loob na guys, yung gator park nila. Wala ganong tao kasi may trabaho pa eh. Friday.
Anybody can just walk in here. They didn't ask them for a ticket or nothing like that. Huh?
Because we are in the same compound, my love. And they know we already paid it.
Well, not really. Not down that road. You can just drive here and just walk in here.
Parang nakakatakot dito, guys. Yung mga buhayan dyan lang sa paligid. Nagtatrabaho sa DPWH. Pero maganda dito. Tahimik. Tingnan yung tubig. Yung mga yeah. Lalaki nila guys, mga gators. Guys, mga babies na mga buhaya. Hindi pa yan sila delikado masyado. Kasi di pa yan sila kakain ng tao. Ito kami nagpesto. Oh! Please! Don't do it!
You're like you didn't drop your phone down there, man.
If I drop my phone, you have to get it inside.
I'm gonna lower you down to get it.
It's you. It's your fault.
Huh? Look how they swimming. See how they swim?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You're just rushing there.
They're floating, look.
Oh,
Look at that other one. It's like a upset to me.
what?
Why are you filming me? Yes, they are pretty. Come on. Busis muna, busis. Welcome, enter here. Tingin tayo ng mga kangaroo, guys. Kangaroo ka. Kangaroo. Yun yung kangaroo. Meron din ostrich. Do not feed the kangaroo. Hi, kangaroo. What's the voice? How was the voice of kangaroo?
Look.
Hold on.
Come on, I'll see you.
Hey, parrot. Hi, they're lovebirds.
One of the dangerous snakes.
This is black mama. Black mama daw to guys.
Mamba.
Mamba.
Yeah.
Oh, may mga ano sila, may tawag ito, nuno sa punso.
That kitty.
Diyan yung bahay-bahay kunwari nila.
This is the king cobra.
So where's the king cobra? Where? Where is this?
There.
Oh, wow! Yung siya guys, oh, sa gilid, no? Yung tail niya, yung tawag ito, buntot, yung mahaba, oh. Yung siya sa may kawayan na katawa. So, uy. Cobra daw ito siya, cobra. Ang taba. Stripe. Yee! Alo, ang laki. Look, humihinga parang sawa. Shout out sa mga ware-ware. Diba halo ito, halo. Tawag sa atin. Halo! Ayan guys. Ayan siya. Oh, wow, cute. Hi! Wala, ang cute na ngayon niya. Buntot stripe. Kamay. Meron pa dito iba, oh.
What?
Please do not touch or feed the lemurs. Uy, look. Ang ganda nila. Si Birdie, umiinom si Birdie. Parrot! Hi! Yun sila. Iba-iba yung cage nila. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Brown. Yan pa yung isang natutulog.
Look at this one relaxing in the
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, they're relaxing.
Ah.
Tignan niyo guys.
Look at
Nakaano
this
lang
one.
siya sa duyan.
He's laid
Ayos
back.
hayang buhay ah. Yung isa pa dito oh.
Uh-huh.
Shh! Shh! Shh!
Red.
Look! Look! Hala, nakahiga yung ano niya. Nakahilata oh. Ang gara ng paghiya parang tao ah. Fox?
The smallest of all foxes. It's the
Fox.
desert dwelling. It lives in the desert. Huh? What?
Look, look. Kinakain niya yung ano niya oh. Yung kahoy kinakain. Parrot! Wala, ibang hayop siya guys.
They can shoot those things at you.
What's the name of this?
Porcupine. You know what a porcupine is?
No, it's my first time to see like this kind of animal. Parang aswang ah. Parang aswang. Tingnan
Porcupine.
niyo yan. Ang gara.
To defend themselves, they can shoot those things at you.
For real?
Yeah.
May kanya-kanya silang bahay guys.